In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an action figure using ChatGPT. To get great results, start by laying out the basics of your figure clearly. Think about the theme first. Are you imagining a sci-fi hero, a medieval warrior, a modern explorer? Then decide on a pose that shows personality, like a confident stance, a dynamic running pose, or a ready-for-action crouch. Describe the clothing and gear in plain, specific language, and include the overall facial style you're going for, whether it's rugged, friendly, stern, or stylized. The goal is to give ChatGPT a strong foundation so it understands the direction right away. Once the basics are in place, add specific details to sharpen the concept. This is where you can mention facial structure, like a square jaw, high cheekbones, or a light stubble, and details on the clothing, such as reinforced stitching, weathered fabric, or metallic buckles. If your figure has gear, say what it is and how it looks. Compact versus oversized, matte versus glossy finishes, or clean versus battle-worn. These specifics guide the tone, materials, and visual identity so the final description feels premium and cohesive. Next, explain to ChatGPT directly that you want to create an action figure. A clear, directive opening helps. For example, start with create a premium collectible action figure of, and follow with your concept. Stating that it's a collectible signals higher detail and quality, and mentioning packaging or photography style helps set the presentation. You're telling ChatGPT not just what the character is, but how it should look as a product. Now, let's test it with a complete prompt. Type this in one message so ChatGPT can interpret it as a unified request. Create a premium collectible action figure of a modern adventurer wearing tactical gear, standing inside realistic retail toy packaging. Include accessories like a backpack, flashlight, and map. Highly detailed plastic texture, articulated joints, studio product photography, realistic shadows, toy store shelf aesthetic. Press enter and wait as it generates. That's it. You've provided the essentials, added precision where it counts, and clearly asked for a premium, retail-ready description. If you've described the theme, pose, clothing, gear, and facial style with enough clarity, ChatGPT will produce a cohesive, detailed concept that reads like a high-end action figure listing. Use this process each time you have a new idea, and keep your language concise, concrete, and visual so every detail comes through.